The Department of Public Health Dentistry has a full-fledged dental museum where the patients are educated at a regular basis. This is a model about Henry Dunant, who was the founder of Red Cross Society. So there are various models and charts were displayed for the patient education and as well as for the motivational activity. This model is about the various specialities of dentistry and exactly what they do. There are totally 8 specialities, and this model beautifully describes how each speciality function and what is their role. And then comes the model about the simple dental clinic, and the lowermost or bottom model is about the sand filtration method, and this is a model about the rainwater harvesting. And there is another model which displayed how exactly the dental health services are provided in the rural area. Since people living in the rural or area or remote area, or they are often impoverished with a low income, low education, and they have a limited access to the health care. So the mobile dental van is adopted to address their oral health needs of the different population, such as conducting school dental health programs, as well as the oral health services are provided through the primary health centers. This model is about how fluorosis is crippling in India and what are the measures that are undertaken to address them. So, fluorosis is a disabling condition caused by drinking excess amount of fluoride in the drinking water, and this model also displayed what are the sources of different forms of fluoride. So, seawater contains a maximum amount of fluoride. Additionally, fluoride are widely distributed in the environment through industrial waste as well as from the uptake by the plants, like tea leaves contains maximum amount of fluoride, and even the seafoods like sardine, salmon, fish contains higher amount of fluoride. And as well as this model explains what are the defluoridation methods that are adopted to reduce the amount of fluoride in the drinking water. And this is the model about the waste management methods and the recycling technique. The most important reason for waste collection is the protection of environment and the health of the population. So the food waste or sewage waste produced from the residential area are collected, transported and recycled and disposed through various methods like dumping, deep burial methods, composting and incineration. Even the hospital waste are segregated in yellow color, blue and red bags and then disposed properly. And this is the model about the blueprint of the healthcare centers in the rural area. So the primary health center provides an essential health services. They provide services related to the nutritional counseling as well as the maternal and child healthcare services, including the family planning, and also they have a separate ward for emergency services and dental wing, and also they provide immunization schemes. And this is a model about the environmental pollution. Environmental pollution is one of the greatest hazard and carries a health risk. There are different types of environmental pollution like water pollution, noise pollution and air pollution. So air pollution is one of the growing concern, and water pollution which causes various diseases like viral, bacterial and helminthic diseases. And finally this is a model about the food guide pyramid. So the food it is generally shaped like a pyramid to suggest that person should eat more food from the bottom of the pyramid and very lesser food from the top of the pyramid, like fat foods are placed at the top, and the bottom it contains of bread, cereals, rice, and the middle of the pyramid contains fruits, vegetables, meats and fish and dairy products. And so these 6 categories are displayed in this food guide pyramid.